Today I'll show you how to make a cape for your character, and now you can do different settings for it, the ones I prefer that I like to use. So let's jump into it. Press SY or whatever axis that works and go all the way up, and you can go like that and click on your points. There's something cool called proportional editing. So if you scale it, it'll move the other parts as well. If you scroll your mouse, it will determine how much of impact we'll have on the scene. So this is fine. Click on the points right here. We want to go down to vertice, and so this is what will allow us to pin the object to a certain point. All we gotta do is click on the sign. Let's name it cape 2. Now we make it a cloth. Oh, sorry, I had both of them clicked on. Make sure you click on that. Click on cloth. Go down to here. Click pin group. It should be acting like a cloth. And to make the improvements better, we go to object. We go to shade auto smooth, so it's a bit smoothed out like that. And one other thing I like to do to increase the settings is to go to quality, increase collision and self collision, so it won't go through each other. It will act like a normal cloth. And one distance I like to do to decrease the distance so they don't affect each other is 0.1. Let's see how that looks. That's pretty much what we want. And we can go down to gravity if we want to increase, decrease, so it keeps going down. If you guys want to check out any other Blender tutorials I made about some lighting and fundamentals, definitely check it out on my channel. I'll put in a link below. You can also change how much weight this has, how much weight the real life cloth has. And one thing I like to do is go to generate subdivision modifier, and so this will make it look more higher quality like cloth, so it look more like flexible. And then another one that's pretty nice to have is solidify, so this will make it have more thickness to it. And before I added a wind modifier, so you go to add, go to force field and wind. So now this will basically affect how the cloth will be blown away. So obviously like how a wind is, go like that. And if we go down to physics right here, we can change the strength of the wind. So we can do 200 if we really want to. That's pretty high, and make sure it's right in front of the cloth. And so let's let it play. So first it's gonna come down, and then once it goes down, the wind is going to blow at it. Nice. And one thing we want to also do is you want to add collision to your object, so the thing doesn't clip through your object. So you add collision, and then the inner, if we decrease it, this will basically just affect how much space we'll have between the cloth. So if we go like that, now the wind will keep blowing at it, and it's pretty much what we want for our cape. If you're happy with what you have, you can also bake it. So let me show you. So we already have our animation, right? And we can change it to, let's change the frames to 100. Let's bake it. And so now no matter what, we can delete the wind, but the cape will still be the same. And also it's slowing down the scene less. It so acts like the wind is there. The wind's blowing at it here and there, but that's pretty much baking. And if you don't like how it is, don't worry about it. You can delete the baking. Delete it, then we have to do the whole thing again, like the wind, and it'll be different. It's always nice. So I imported this character. It had 3 strands of cloth based on the character I imported. And so all I did was I baked it. I did the same settings. I changed the vertex mass 0.1. You also can't change the settings in the cloth if you bake it. Pretty much did what I did before. I did a vertex cape pin. I did 0.01 for self collision, and I pretty much just had wind blowing up ahead. And then you can just see like I have it rigged to this horse that's also animated, and this is how nice the cape will look in animation. You can also add more subdivisions, but this is pretty much what I made. And if you guys have any more questions, let me know in the comments if I was unclear or anything. But it's pretty easy to do a cape modifier. Just make sure you do those vertex pins because sometimes I forget them. But if you're interested in any other stuff, I also have a tutorial on how to apply some of these toon shaders. But that'll be it for the tutorial, and I'll see you guys on the next one.